it's Deb back with a Project Life process video using the June Kitaholic Kits. This is the first week of June in my album, so I am using my acrylic June word that we get an acrylic word each month with the name of the month, which I'm absolutely loving. So we got some grid paper in our little goodie bag, and I added it to my card at the top along with the label, and that's where my June word will sit. And from the 12 by 12 cut apart sheet, I cut out this little scalloped it was Good Times Ahead, I think it said, and I'm just going to bump it up on some foam and add some sewing thread behind it and call that one good. I just wanted to fill a card with that one. I really love the colours in that card, and that was just cut from the 6x6 paper pad that we got in the kit, sorry. So yeah, so just bumped it up, and of course I dropped it and got glue everywhere, and had to do it again. That's all good. I did have to reprint the bottom photo of my daughter on the swing because a big gunk of glue dropped right on it. These things happen. So just putting the thread down again, and I'm just going to pop that on. And I really love having things come off the side of my card, so I'm going to trim once that dries a bit, and I'm going to trim the side of that popped up piece off along the side, and I've already done it. This little flower piece was on the 12 by 12 cut apart sheet. It was like strips that looked a bit like branding strips or washi strips, if I can talk. And I just cut a little bit of that out, and I'm going to lay out a label over it because I had a lot of that. I had a lot of pink and that purpley blue. I don't know what you'd call it, but it's absolutely stunning. And then I grabbed the puppy stickers, and I did sprinkle them around. Now the puppy stickers, were they in the Project Life kit or the embellishment kit? Because I did have the embellishment kit and the Project Life kit out. This one here, I'm going to make a pocket with vellum. Now I did it in my last Project Life, might have been my last Project Life video, and I'm just going to do the same, except for I don't stitch it down. I was going to, but then there was no other stitching happening, so I just dabbed a little bit of glue on. Then I grabbed the camera from a sticker sheet, I backed it with some vellum, and then just fussy cut around it so I could have it half hanging over the pocket. And I used that little library card from the exclusive die cutter, oh my goodness, I can't talk, as well as a tag. Now the tag's got nothing written on it, it's just there for decoration. I just loved having two pieces there, so just going to add my journaling to this side. I did grab out a few enamel dots and rhinestones from past kits to add onto my spread. This Project Life spread is quite simple for me this week. It came together quite fast actually. I was surprised. It usually takes me quite some time to get my Project Life spreads done. So just adding those final touches of rhinestones and enamel dots. We did get enamel dots in the kits, but I wanted to put more pink and purple colors on, so that's why I pulled some from some previous kits, and I've got a whole little stash of that. Oops, camera went a bit crazy. So I got some freeze frames here of some of the cards. And I am going to work on the right hand side now. Just adding a doily. We got this doily last month. Was it the month? Yeah, it was last month. Just adding it to this card, and this is something I really love to do, is journal directly on the doilies. This one I wanted to add that card there, but I wanted to add some journaling to it. So what I'm going to do is like kind of cut a triangle out the side of it. And then I'm going to grab some of that grid paper we got in our goodie bag and just stick it down to the back so it makes a 3x4 card. And that way I've still got that beautiful colour in my spread, but I've also got somewhere to journal. So I did grab a flower off the sticker sheet, and when I want to use a sticker and be able to move it about, I stick it on a piece of printer paper or a piece of vellum because it's quite thin and light, and just fussy cut around it. So I'm going to cut the yellow flowers off this little sticker and stick it on the vellum and just fussy cut, and then you get to move it around if you want to play around with placement. So this little stripe piece that came from the 6x6 paper pad, and it was a full sheet of all different coloured stripes, and I just cut a bit out and used it pretty much like washi. And I'm going to add a my goodness, exclusive exclusive bit of ephemera there, just to decorate that photo. And as I said, this spread came together really fast for me, so I'm going to sprinkle some puffy stickers around on this side as well. And on the doily card I am going to add some exclusive die cuts there as well. Now both sides of my spread are pretty much just two events. I think on the left hand side I have, yeah, it was all when we went to a park, excluding one picture of my daughter at school, and then this side was all from the Scrapbook Expo. So not much happening in the week, but lots of photos from both events. So that's pretty much what my first week of June is. So after I add my journaling to the doily, I am just going to pop a label up on my top photo and add a bit of journaling up there. I think I bring in some more puffy stickers. No, actually I put a enamel dot in the center of that camera. And then, yeah, just add my rhinestones and enamel dots, and that's really pretty much it. As I said, it was super simple this week. I got it done fast, and still loved how it came out. So I will leave you with some freeze frames of this side, and then I will leave you with some still photos at the end. Don't forget, all the links will be below to Kitaholics. So go check them out if you like the look of the kits, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.